Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to watch live TV channels on your PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to watch live TV channels, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you have installed VLC media player on your PC or on your laptop. Then you have to simply open your browser, and in browser you have to search for IPTV GitHub. Just search for this and open the first website from here, and here just scroll down and you will see the option of playlist. Just select playlist from here and you will see a link here. Just copy this link, then open your VLC media player, and here once you open your VLC media player, you just have to click on the media option at the top left and then select open network stream. You can also press Ctrl plus N to open network stream. Now here you have to paste your link you have copied. Once you have done, just tap on play. So it will take a time, depend on your network connection, and after that you will be able to watch any live TV channel. So you can see I have a live TV channel. If you want to get the list of TV channels, just tap on this list option here, and you will see a lot of TV channels over here. You can also search for anyone. Just tap on the search option, and here just search for any TV channel that you want to watch. So you might get almost every TV channel in the world. So in this way, you can easily watch live TV channels on your PC or on your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.